Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my devlog. There's been a dramatic change to what my app is looking now. I am not an artist myself, that is why I have hired a freelance artist to prepare a background and some buttons for my app. After a few iterations, I accepted freelancer's artwork, but I had that feeling that it isn't quite it. I didn't know what, but for some reason it wasn't it. I rolled my sleeves and tinkered with the design myself, and I must say I'm happy with the results for the time being. What do you think, guys? Do you like it too? Apart from changing the looks of the app, I have finally some working buttons. So the exit button is working, the icon with the mountains is working as a blueprint. This option is going to be available by watching an ad. The next one is this one with the bulb, which is going to be responsible for placing the currently selected piece in the right place. This one is also going to be available after watching an ad. And the last one, represented by an eye icon, shows the whole picture. The difference between this one and the blueprint is that the eye one covers every jigsaw piece, while the blueprint stays in the background, hopefully helping a player to assemble the whole jigsaw. I would like to thank you guys. 37 people have already decided to subscribe and check on my work progress. Thank you so much. If you like it, please hit that like button. If you want to know what's what with my project, subscribe please. Thank you so much. While I work on my game, I browse the internet to check on people who do similar stuff to me, meaning making games. Recently, I stumbled upon a very interesting man, an Ukrainian living in Spain. Ivan, that's his name. Originally, he was a CG artist and an animator, but got himself a few courses on Udemy and become an indie game developer. He has created quite a few titles now, and they all look amazing. He's so generous and shares his approach to game making, how he advertises his apps, and on top of that, we get to learn what sort of revenue is he able to get from his games. There's also a lot of information on how the whole industry works and how he was able to reach far away markets like China, for example. There's loads of information about porting his games to consoles and many more valuable information. Right, I think now is the time to play his first game called Ailment. For that reason, I have started a new zone on my YouTube channel, so I don't clutter my devlogs with other topics. Anyway, I'm not only going to be playing that game, I'll try to have a closer look on how the game is designed and what makes it special. You can find link to Ivan's YouTube channel in the description. Thank you.